usapang kooperatiba tayo kasama si Kuya Jay. Dito lang sa Mang People TV.
Magandang araw mga ka-people, isang panibagong araw na naman ang dumating kung saan ating tatalakayin at tutuklasin ang mga bagong kaalaman patungkol sa ating kooperatiba. Dito sa Mang People TV, ito ang Usapang Kooperatiba. For today's episode mga ka-people, masaya ako at inunlakan ang ating imbitasyon na makapanayam siya. Without further ado, let us all welcome the General Manager of St. Vincent de Paul Multipurpose Cooperative, Mr. Laureano B. Mesias Jr. Sir John! Good day, Sir John. Kumusta ka na?
Good. Okay lang.
How's your travel dito sa ating Mang People TV?
Walang problema. Wala namang traffic papunta rito sa opisina natin sa
Sir John, lalong tumatagal, lalong pumupugi ka. You know what, guys? Basta at letter J yung mga pangalan. Junior, Jacob, mga gwapo yan. Alright, Sir John, thank you so much no, na kayo ay nagbigay ng time dito sa ating programa. Guys, it is our first time na nag-interview po kami and nag-guest po tayo na CEO ng ibang cooperative. Yan, DePaul. St. Vincent de Paul Cooperative. Kasi yung iba, Sir John, hindi yan mag-invite.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Yes, and sa amin lang is we want to share also that our Mang People TV and People's Coop will become a blessing to another cooperative as well. Di ba? Hindi natin ipagdamot yan kasi the co-op provided us and God provided us the resources. So, we want also na maging kabahagi kami, Sir John, sa yung mga, di ba, brothers, di ba?
Yes.
Cooperation among cooperatives.
Among cooperatives,
yan, principle po yan.
One principle of
Sir John,
cooperative.
actually, Sir John, sa long friend of mine, yung nag-start pa ako sa Mandawi, Sir John, grabe, matagal na ito sa co-op. yung puso nito is DePaul, pero yung other part ng puso ni Sir John is Cebu People.
Siyempre.
Yan. Then, even my mother, my parents, naging member din dati sa DePaul. And DePaul sa cooperative ni Sir John. No? And we're so privileged na isang general manager, other cooperative, kasi brother ito eh. When you talk about cooperative, principle po yan na cooperation among cooperatives. Dapat meron talagang collaboration for us to learn also coming from them. Hindi naman natin alam lahat, di ba? Sinasabi nga nila, Sir John, no man is an island. Yan. Then, with us, makabahagi din tayo sa cooperative ni Sir John. Parang win-win situation lang din. But Sir John, can you introduce yourself? Bakit kayo nagsimula? Bakit kayo, para bang yung puso mo talaga, bakit kayo, para bang co-op? Nag-resign ka, di ba? Di ba climbs ka noon? Di ba? Before yung
I love to talk the story. I love to talk the story behind my success of today.
Sige. Sir John, can you share something about your journey? Bakit kayo napadpad talaga sa cooperative? Alright, Sir John?
Ganito yun, Sir Jacob. That was 1986 na graduate ako ng college. Then, pagka 1990, nagkasawa ko. Then, normal naman yun sa mag-asawa na naghanap ng saan tayo maglinding. Na-meet ko yung Cebu People's Coop doon sa Lahog chapter natin sa Cebu, sa Salinas din. I became a member of the year 1992 sa Cebu People's Cooperative. Ang opisina pa natin nandun sa may White Gold House. Then
before.
Yeah, before.
Yung sa Blessed.
Yeah,
before.
sa Blessed Sacrament. Then yung Lahog branch, mag-travel pa kami papunta doon to apply loan dati. Then tapos naging leader ako ng Cebu Peoples. Kaya malaki yung experience ko sa kooperatiba dahil sa Cebu Peoples. Bali, utang na loob ko sa Cebu Peoples Cooperative na naging ako ngayon, stable sa kooperatiba. Saka malawak na yung experience ko sa kooperatiba. Then, naging leader ako ng Cebu Peoples for how many years? Naging election committee chairperson ako, audit committee chairperson. Hindi lang ako nakaabot ng board of directors. But, during that time, active talaga ang leadership noon. Kasama ko pa yan yung ating dating CEO, si Yoyong Kibido. I was the one who enticed him na mag-leader sa Cebu Peoples at saka maging member. Saka si Carlitos Dueñas, ako rin ang Sikjen, ako rin ang nag-recruit niyan to become a member with Peoples. The history of that. Ng dalawang tao na yan na ano natin ngayon dito, leader sa Cebu Peoples. During my time as election committee member. Then, when I am in the audit committee, Kivido is running for board of director, nanalo naman. So, ano yan, yung dalawa, maraming may obstacle yan bago naging board yung si Carl at saka si Yoyong. Dahil during that time, may split of leadership. Then, I was the one who manage it na naging nag-mediate ako doon during General Assembly. So, na-declare talaga yung dalawa na yon. Kasi yung ibang leaders nung panahon na yon, gusto nilang hindi i-declare yung nanalong mga opisyal na kasama si Carl at saka si Yoyong dahil may question of leadership. So, as audit committee chairperson, I know very well the ins and out of the cooperative. So, I took the courage to mediate the case. Then, nagbotohan yung mga leaders. That is representative assembly. We have representative assembly naman. So, nakapasok si Yoyong at saka si Carl. That is his story. Then, pagka 2010, nag-apply ako ng isang kooperatiba sa St. Vincent de Paul, natanggap ako. Pero, may history din kami ni Carl sa Yoyong during that time dahil sa nag-apply ako sa Cebu Peoples, wala pang opening. So doon ako sa St. Vincent de Paul.
Para manager ka talaga doon sa
manager talaga. Kasi na-apply ako doon sa Cebu Peoples, hindi managerial position.
Ano yun?
Ano yun? Ini-open position kasi graduate naman ako ng Commerce, major in Human Resource Development.
Sa HR din.
HRD. So, anyway, decision nila yon na wala ko natanggap, pero doon na lang sa St. Vincent de Paul, natanggap ako dahil sa yung classmate ko dati sa San Jose Recoletas, board of directors doon, ni-refer lang ako doon. So, kaya from 2010 until now, nandyan pa rin ako sa St. Vincent de Paul Co-op.
So, ilang years ka na doon? Grabe, no?
Mga 12 years na ata eh.
Grabe na experience mo, Sir John, sa Co-op, ha?
Marami ng problema na nalagpasan yung sa kooperatiba.
Sir John, can you introduce DePaul or St. Vincent de Paul MPC Multipurpose Cooperative? Ano ba yung mga products and services ninyo sa Co-op?
Ang kooperatiba kasi, St. Vincent de Paul, sa isang saint yan, Santos yan. So, why it is a saint? The organizer of St. Vincent de Paul is the Vincentian Fathers of Subangdako, San Roque
Parish.
Parish
Church.
So, that was 1974. The first name of the cooperative is De Paul Development Center, Inc. Their purpose is to get out from the Tipolo and Sabandako squatters, mga residents, giving them a lot to be housed there sa kanilang sa area na binili ng Dipol Development Center, yung sa may barangay Tipolo, Sabandako, Kasili, Consolacion, Yatililuan, at saka sa may Kanduman. So, mga 250 families yung tina-transfer nila doon.
So, the objective of the cooperative that time is, housing.
Housing, yeah.
That's a good start.
Then,
You're so
it's a good start.
Also.
Then, tinitingnan nila din yung health at saka educational needs ng mga bata, ng mga parents ng panahon na yun. Anak ng mga members. Then, nag-evolve yung Dipol Development Center na supported by an NGO that they call this one as Catholic Christian Fund, CCF. So, nag-evolve sila pagka from 1974 to 2009, nag-out na sila. So, yung kooperatiba, inorganize nila para walang intact pa rin sila. So, only 85 persons are engaging o as pioneer member of the cooperative. 85 sila lahat na ang capitalization nila is ano lang naman maliit lang naman 25,000 during that time, 363.66 ang capitalization nila. 27 ka male, then 58 ka female. Yun ang membership ng original ng kooperatiba. But alam mo naman, yung kooperatiba is ka ng open and voluntary. So, the original members, now, konti na lang sila nandito sa amin. Pero anyway, what is cooperative? Nag-hire din, nag-open sila sa community during the time of the year of 2012. Nag-open na sila, pumasok na yung bago nga mga member. So now, our membership dumating na ng 2073. 2073.
Dami
As
na
of
yan.
November 2021.
Dami na yan.
Kasama na yung mga bata, saka yung hindi mga bata, yung mga adult. Total number of membership. And then the amount that they have contributed is umabot na ng 18,313,138.84 as of November.
No? Laki, no?
So, okay na lang yon kasi at least existing pa rin ang kooperatiba maski maraming problema.
Sir John, as a whole, what is cooperative? What is cooperative in your in your own perspective? Kasi karaniwan kasi Sir John, yung mindset ng isang tao, the moment na mag-join siya ng isang cooperative is utang, di ba?
Oh, yeah.
Yun talaga yung karaniwan. Parang tinitreat nila ang cooperative, utanganan or turko. Di ba? So, what is cooperative?
Cooperative, ano lang yan from the word cooperation, galing yan sa word na cooperation. So, helping each other na ma-meet yung isang goal sa organization. Let's say, for example, you have the needs of, palagay natin, financial needs. Meron ka ring needs on social. So, ang kooperatiba, kung member ka, ano yung product nila, yun ang i-patronize mo para maging successful yung kooperatiba. Because association of persons yan Although voluntary yan, but wala namang problema kasi kung ayaw mo na sa management ng kooperatiba, you can go anytime because open and voluntary yung co-op. Saka yung co-op hindi yon pang-lending lang. Dapat ang purpose niyan savings, investment ang purpose niyan kasi future yan na magagamit mo kung kinakailangan mo na yung pera. Kasi yung pera nang linagay mo sa co-op, hindi nasa iyo na yung pera na yan pera na yan ng kooperatiba na ibigay sa nangailangan ng mga members. Hindi ka makaklaim na ang pera ko dyan, akin yan. No. If the money nandyan na sa co-op na yan, then ang co-op na mag-manage. Now, if you have the needs na, may pangailangan ka na, ikaw na naman ang bibigyan. So that's it sa co-op.
Right, Sir John, sa palagay ninyo po, ano ang kailangan ng karakteristik ng isang co-op na para maging effective siya sa community?
The basic needs of the members.
Yung characteristic.
Yun ang titingnan ng co-op. The characteristics of the cooperative dapat sasagot sa pangailangan ng mga member. Hindi hindi talikuran mo yung gusto ng member. Tanungin mo yung member. Member A, ano yung pangailangan mo? Ganito ang pangailangan ko. Providential loan. Okay, kaya mo to, co-op? O, kaya. Unahin mo muna yung kooperatiba, tanungin bago ka magpunta sa iba. Yun ang characteristic ng co-op. Kailangan yung needs niya, primary needs, ma-address ng kooperatiba. Hindi ma-address, hindi na yung kooperatiba.
Kaya nga, palagi natin inuulit dito, Sir John, na yung membership natin sa cooperative is hindi lang talaga lending, savings, investment, iba't ibang needs ng mga members po natin. Kasi yung iba, Sir John, ang dali lang mag-withdraw. Ang bilis nila mag-withdraw sa kanilang membership kasi sabi ng mga member, ay, ang tagal naman ng loan ko, ang tagal ng proseso. Di ba marami? Sa inyo, isang branch ka lang.
Oh.
You have 5 staff, di ba?
Oh.
But you're accommodating 2,000 members. Naku, hindi madali yan. Di ba?
Ganun.
Hindi madali yan. Siguro yung sa field mo, ilang tao? Tatlo sila.
Tatlong collectors.
So, dalawa kayo sa...
Tatlo kami sa staff ko. Ako, bookkeeper, saka yung teller cashier.
Para may check and balance.
Meron na.
Kasi yung karaniwan mga members, nako, ano naman ang loan? We need to consider also na nag-cost-cutting yung mga cooperative. Pag marami ding mga staff, affected yung income ng cooperative. Di ba? So, yung ownership ba, gusto natin dito, Sir Joe, na yung members talaga is parang yung ownership ba, being a member of the cooperative, na wag kang mag-withdraw sa co-op. It's because hindi lang lending yung products and services natin. Yan. And Sir John, can you present your core services sa St. Vincent de Paul Cooperative? Ano yung mga products ninyo?
Okay, ang St. Vincent de Paul Cooperative is community credit cooperative, open type siya. In other words, kahit sino pwede magpa-member. Let's say for example, our main product is savings, deposit and time deposit. Then the secondary product namin is lending. So the third support product namin is hindi na yung lending, insurance na siya. So with regards to this one, it is a needs of the members na ina-address namin. So yun ang tinitingnan namin. On the details, yung aming product, yung savings deposit, yung mga bata na interest fund account that is managed by the parents or guardian, meron kaming kiddie savers that is 1 year old to 7 years old, 7 years below. Then associate members savings deposit, 18 years old above. Then regular savings deposit that is also 18 years old above, but applicable for regular members. The associate members, Sir Jacob, are those only members na in-entrust na yung pera sa atin, sinisave lang dyan, withdrawable anytime, basta office hour. Then, hindi sila regular member. We call that one as associate member. Okay. Then, ang interest namin sa savings deposit sa bata is 2%.
Nasa KD. Savings KD.
Savings KD, okay.
That's good.
Then sa associate members, same pa rin 2%. Then sa regular members, 2.5% yung interest namin. Why 2.5? Because there are so many deductions during the time na mag-avail ng loan yung regular member. At saka meron siyang annual na obligation sa kooperatiba. So, with regards to the savings deposit, Sir Jacob, savings deposit saka sa bata, the cooperative, mataas yung interest expense niya. Interest expense niya, mataas. Bakit? Kung may 1,000 na maintaining balance yung bata, bibigyan namin ng life insurance coverage. Ang Coop magbayad.
Oh, grabe. And that's for free.
That's for free.
Okay. Anong coverage ng insurance, Sir John?
7,000 yung 500 yung natural death, accidental death, 16,005. Then yung medical refund due to accident, 1,500. So, yun ang privilege sa bata na mag-deposit.
Sa KD yun?
Sa KD yun. Charge namin yun, 40 pesos per year. Tapos 20 pesos, 2% of 1,000, 20 pesos. So we spend 60 pesos per child na may balance account na 1,000. So 6% ang labas.
So yung
Expense ng co-op. Then, doon naman sa mga malalaking tao, meron kaming accident insurance, libre pa rin. 10,000 pesos, accidental death lang. Nagbabayad kami ng ng 30 pesos per year.
So Sir Jun, in other words, some of your incomes goes to the savings PD, your members, no?
Oh.
Then just imagine,
Yeah.
per child, you will expense the 60 pesos.
Oh.
Malaki na yun.
Malaki yun.
Ang dami mo mga KD
Mga
savers
bata
dyan, di ba?
dyan, umabot nga ng 300 plus. Yung
Times mo yan to 60 pesos.
pesos.
So
Malaki.
more or less, magkano yung expenses nyo?
Sa insurance lang. Per year, abot kami ng dala na sa amin, malalaki, mga adult, abot kami ng 20,000 premium.
Premium per
Yung
year.
Per year mabayaran.
So, actually, ganyan talaga yung sa cooperative, mga ka-People's Co-op, no, na we really take good care for the welfare of our members, lalo na sa mga bata. So, para bang meron itong twist kay Sir John, meron siyang ginagawang marketing strategy. Meron yung marketing strategy ni Sir John. Para bang na-digest ko dito na bakit 2.5, bakit 2 lang. Parang merong behind yan, di ba? Marketing strategy.
Yes.
But pag-usapan natin later, mga ka-People's Co-op. We have a lot of questions with Sir John. Parang na-enjoy si Sir John dito. But magbabalikan, usapang kooperatiba. Paano ba magpamember sa Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative online? Una, you visit our website, www.mycoop.ph. I-click mo ang Be a Member Now button. Follow the steps. Step 1. Watch our PMES video. Step 2. Click again the Be a Member Now button at maghanda ng selfie picture with white background, picture of any government ID, 3 pirma in a white bond paper, tapos fill out the membership form. You can do it using your cell phone. Click OK, I read and understand button. You fill up the membership form. Click the submit for review. You can now upload your pictures, your selfie picture, valid ID, at ang 3 pirma. You can click the edit your application kung merong mali, or you may now click the submit application button kung okay na. Congratulations! Your application has been sent. Expect feedback within 24 to 48 hours. Welcome to Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative. Paano ba makita ang savings o account summary mo sa co-op through online? Una, you visit our website, www.mycoop.ph. Pindutin mo ang register button sa itaas. You fill up the username, email address, name, mobile number, and the password. Don't forget to write down your username and password. Click the register button. You fill up the member's information. Una, your co-op membership ID number. Make sure na tama ang format. You can see your co-op ID number sa passbook, or you can contact your branch. Click the small box I agree to terms and services at pindutin mo ang submit for approval button. Your account is placed under pending status. You log in after 24 hours, or you can contact our hotline kung kinakailangan. Congratulations! You may now view your savings and account summary sa co-op. Just click the login button sa ating website. Paano ba magbayad o mag-deposit sa Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative using DragonPay? Una, you visit our website, www.mycoop.ph. I-click mo ang Be a Member Now. Step 3, click Pay via DragonPay. You fill up the details in CPMPC DragonPay payment portal form. Click what are you paying for, membership, loan, deposit, share capital, PPI, People's Jeep, real estate, or others. Lagyan mo ng amount, complete name, and email address. Click the checkout button. Select your source of fund, pwedeng online banking or e-wallet. Or you can choose over-the-counter or ATM. Click the box I agree to the terms and conditions and pindutin mo ang select button. Click send instructions via email or mobile button. Magpunta ka sa iyong email address. Pindutin mo ang link na ibinigay ni DragonPay at sundin mo ang payment instructions. Congratulations! You made the online transactions using DragonPay.
In this time with the country affected by this pandemic, we, the Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperatives, continue to support the implementation of PUB modernized vehicles.
In realizing the economic, social, and environmental welfare in this program.
Now join us as we are about to show you our video snippets of our new invested People's Jeep Class 3 models.
The anticipated, the innovated, introducing the additional 20 Class 3 of People's Jeep units.
Ka-peoples, join us as we walk you to our PUB modernized vehicle. Let us behold together as we witness the People's Jeep in continuing its legacy to make the best for the people.
Class 3 People's Jeep units are an improved riding experience for the benefit of our present and future generations of Filipino passengers.
Equipped with all the features of a modernized jeepney, with 27 seating capacity, more spacious than a Class 2 model. Incredible comfortable seat, especially for a long distance travel, with auto climate control air conditioning, GPS, Wi-Fi CCTV, LED lights and tilted television, window curtains, sun visor, glass hammer and fire extinguisher to keep you safe, comfortable and entertained while on the road. Hassle-free and contactless payment method using the MC3 card, GCash and OnlyRide QR code, with enthusiastic and friendly drivers and pals. Get to your destination safely and comfortably with People's Jeep.
Making things better for the people.
Without losing? Do you want to save money while playing? Worry no more! For 25 pesos worth of entry, you can now play and save money at the same time. But there's more! Not only you can enjoy and save money, but you also get a chance to win 1 million pesos or a brand new car. The choice is in your hands. Only here in Play to Save. Mag-usapang kooperatiba tayo kasama si Kuya Jay. Dito lang sa Mang People TV.
Alright, nagbabalik ang Usapang Kooperatiba with our special guest for today, handsome guest for today, the General Manager of St. Vincent de Paul Multipurpose Cooperative, Mr. June or Laureano Misias Jr. Kanina napag-usapan po natin yung history ni Sir John, kung paano po siya nag-umpisa sa cooperative. And second, we also tackle the products and services of DePaul, no? So kaya yung palagi ko sinasabi dito na this is collaboration. Principle po yan, na cooperation. Di ba, Sir John?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Ang cooperation among cooperatives. We need to collaborate with other cooperatives. And napakaganda is because yung tinatakol ni Sir John kanina, yung KD savings nila, 2% po yan. Then, tapos, yung regular member, 2.5%. Pero as I see, parang marketing strategy na kung yung mga associate, pagdarating ng panahon na kung 80 na sila, pwede mag-upgrade na kami into regular member kasi 2.5 yun. Di ba? So, we really appreciate, no? Kasi most of the time, Sir John, ito talaga, nagpa-member kami sa isang cooperative. Ano bang ma-privilege namin? Ano bang, di ba? Ano ba yung makukuha namin being a member? So kanina napag-usapan natin yung mga bata. How about the adult, Sir John?
Ang adults, ganito yun. Ang benefits ng adults namin, pareho din yun sa mga bata. Meron silang free accident insurance na kina-cover namin na 10,000 pesos. Bayaran naman namin yan sa insurance company ng 30 pesos per year. And then, only those members, associate or regular members na may 1,000 pesos maintaining balance of their savings. Okay. Now, on the other hand, the share capital, if the time deposit pala, hindi muna yung share. Yung time deposit, if you are a time depositor, also we cover also the accidental insurance for those people who made time deposit with us,
minimum
na at least 1,000 pesos.
That's good.
Ganun pa rin ang pribilehiyo na binigay namin. Then,
so the benefits of the insurance, ganoon din, 7,000 natural death ba 'yun?
Sa ano 'yun, sa mga bata 'yun.
Yun. Anong insurance ng time depositor, Sir Jun?
Ganun pa rin. 10,000 yung pareha sa regular member.
Okay.
Regular deposit.
So kung mamatay yung member, merong
10,000.
That's natural death.
No, walang natural death dyan sa libre. Yan, accidental death coverage lang. Yeah. Yun lang. But, if you total it, malaki-laki din yung premium na naibigay namin sa insurance company. Pero, at least, that is one of the benefit of the member. Now, another benefit of the member, sa amin, kung mag-loan na siya, mag-loan. Kung mag-loan na siya, halimbawa, 1 taon yung babayaran niya, interest namin is 3% diminishing balance. So, kung mabayaran niya ng malaki-laki yung loan niya, hindi abot ng
maturity
1 year, maturity date. Halimbawa, mga after 4 months, babayaran niya, hindi na kami sisingil sa
remaining interest.
That's good. Yun ang namin, nakita namin. Remaining interest, hindi na siya magbabayad. Saka, kung doon naman siya sa collector, yung mag-loan siya, hindi siya makalakad, hindi siya tinatamad siya papunta ng opisina. So, collector papunta doon. Libre yun, walang charge sa collection fee.
So, paano mag-process? Pwede siya mag-process ng loan in the field?
Hindi.
Or releases
sa opisina
lang?
Talaga.
Sa opisina
talaga yung process ng loan. Ibig ko sabihin, pag kolekta lang ng loan, kasi meron kasing member
sa collections.
That's a collections. Meron kasing member na ayaw papunta ng office dahil hindi maiwan yung bahay. May bata siya na binabantayan. So, tawag siya sa opisina, papuntahin yung collector. Meron ding member na naka-online, bank to bank yung transfer. Doon sa account ng kooperatiba, then mag-inform lang. Yung ibang member naman, mabayad through Palawan.
So meron ba silang discount, Sir Jun, kung sila magpunta sa office, mag-transfer?
Sa amin, wala namin ginawa yung discount dahil sa dahil sa insurance benefit namin. Saka to save naman sa kooperatiba na hindi masyadong yung expenses niya sa operation. Wala na lang discount.
Anyway, yung kita, hati-hati naman lahat ng mga members, di ba? Actually, madali lang talaga kukomputin yung para lang tayong we do business, parang yung sa maliit pa tayo, Sir Jun, seeking fund tayo, di ba? Kung meron mahirap ng pera, meron interest, at the end of the year, hati-hati tayo. Ganyan lang simple, di ba?
Ganun yan.
But Sir Jun, when you talk about open type of membership, I know there are lots of challenges that you have experienced or you faced. Ano yun? Yung mga challenge natin na nakikita or na-experience na?
Maraming challenges, pero ang pinakamabigat na challenges natin, paano natin makolekta yung pera na nandun sa membership.
Yan, delinquency talaga. Yung iba, pinahabol ng aso, Sir Jun.
Yung iba, magtatago nga eh. yung pa nandun sa likod ng, ng door.
Biro lang mga people sa, but this is reality.
Wala si Mama. Wala si Mama. Nakita ng kolektor sa sa may likod ng door. Sabihin mo sa mama mo, dalhin niyo yung paa dyan.
Naiwan yung paa.
Gano'n yun. Saka maraming artista din sa membership. Mga drama ba?
Yung bawa, sir?
Nagkasakit ako, nagkasakit yung asawa ko, yung anak ko, Pero when we trace the reason, it's not a valid reason. Talagang ayaw niya magbayad nung panahon na yon. Saka yung ibang member din, challenging you to go to court. Then, naman, pagpunta ka ng court, mag-spend ng pera yung co-op. Pagdating ng korte, depende sa judge. Kung ang judge medyo hindi masyado pabor sa co-op, pabor doon sa member, yung kiniklaim mo, laslasan yan, tanggalan yan. So, may experience ako niyan sa korte. Na yung 100% na claim mo, ginawang 50%.
Ganun ba?
O,
ganun.
ganun.
Principal?
When naman yun past due naman yun. May binabayad na siya na dati.
Kinocompute yung interest.
Oo. May naman yun, ganun naman talaga yun. Sige na lang, basta makabayad yung membership, yung member namin. Saka meron ding dinagay mo na nga sa court, pero hindi pa rin nagbayad. So, I have an experience of that.
Buti Sir Jun, nakabayad siya sa abogado niya, hindi nakabayad sa co-op?
Wala namang abogado kasi hindi naman malaking amount yun. Yun sa...
Small claims lang.
Small claims lang naman yun. Yun. Pero nakagasto yung co-op kasi yung small claims, hindi yun libre. Babayad ka na mga more or less 3,000 sa korte.
Yun nga, no? Palagi natin sinasabi dito, Sir Jun, para bang it's a shame ba na dadalhin pa sa korte yung case. It's because may-ari ka ng co-op eh. Ngayon, para bang kino-convict ka na kasi yung kampanya mo, hindi ka nagbayad sa kampanya mo, di ba Sir Jun? Para bang sa Bisaya pa Sir Jun, dili angayan mahitabo unta.
Dili unta ngayon.
Dili gyud unta dapat. And why? You belong to the same company, you have the products and services, and kayo hindi ka nagbayad. And that's your company being a member of the cooperative, di ba Sir Jun? So, and yung katawa-tawa dyan is that meron mga mediator. So, kung pwede ba, hindi na lang nyo yan. Sabot-sabot na lang kayo dyan. Mag-agree na lang kayo, di ba? Why not applying that dito lang sa level? Hindi pa tayo magka-expense ng 3,000. So, di ba? So, yun talaga yun, mga People's Co. Kasi, dito sa cooperative, Sir Jun, matagal na tayong employed sa People's Co. But yung heart talaga natin, ayaw nating mag-file ng case sa members. Kasi mahal natin yung mga members. But yung iba, ang titigas din. But Sir Jun, paano nyo hinahandle sa mga ganyan when you talk about delinquency? Pwede bang ma-share ninyo yung percentage about the delinquency? Or hindi
pwede naman. I'm not ashamed that the delinquency of St. Vincent de Paul is higher than the other cooperatives. But still, we continue to collect the members through pakikisama, pakikisuyo sa kanila na babayaran nila yon. Yung yung arrears nila kasi pera ng tao yon. In fact, my board of directors that was year 2020 na 2020 General Assembly, may resolution na sa GE na kahit man lang yung kapital ibalik nila. Hindi na kami magsingil sa interest sa penalty na
that's
arrears
nila. Amnesty po yan. So malaking tulong yan sa co-op.
Malaking tulong sa co-op yun. Kahit kapital man lang ibigay ng ng membership.
Pwede rin i-offset with their share capital.
Of course, kompleto yung tanan.
Grabe, no?
So, ganun ka yung board of directors ko na nasa puso talaga nilang tulungan yung mga
member. So, ilan yung mga board of directors ninyo?
7.
I know Sir Mario Tamidlis, BOD pa din.
That was before. Ngayon, busy kasi Sir Mario, hindi na nag-board.
Sana ma-meet ko din mga board of directors niyo, sir.
Of course, bakit hindi?
I-guess natin sila dito. Basta Sir Jun, kung meron kayong mga kinakailangan sa mga cooperative, mga kapatid namin na cooperative, meron kayong kailangan mag-documentation tayo with regards to your cooperative. Kasi segue lang tayo a little, Sir Jun, kasi yung challenge kasi ng cooperative din is that wala silang documentation sa mga anong nangyayari sa mga cooperative. Kaya meron tayong mga People TV. But if you want sa mga cooperative na nandyan, you can ask us. Sir Jun, very affordable yung price po namin dito sa mga People TV. I-shoot po natin yung anniversary ninyo. Yung GA po ninyo, Bertol, kami na po yung bahala. Kagaya ng ginagawa namin sa Lepiam ko. Yung mga success stories nyo, Sir Jun, pwede yan. Para meron tayong videos, di ba? So, Sir Jun, I know you need good people for this. When you talk about delinquency, kailangan talaga yung mga people natin, mga staff natin, mga elite yun para hindi papahabol ng mga aso. So, I've heard that na merong inanon parang, di ba, sa Bisaya pa, sundang, gibairag.
Gibairag sundang.
And then, Sir Jun, paano nyo hinahandle yung delinquency? Kasi yung di ba, meron tayong standard na dapat 5% lang talaga yung tolerable natin ng delinquency. Kagaya ngayon, Sir Jun, last year, nagkakaroon ng pandemya. Di ba? So ano yung ginagawa niyo nung nagkakaroon ng pandemic last year?
Last year,
We cannot force our member to pay.
Good for us sa kooperatiba namin sa St. Vincent de Paul. Although pandemic, we never stop reporting to office. Kaming mga staff na 6. Nangyari, may tatawag, may access tayo, puntahan yung yung member na kolektahan natin. Pero ang challenge doon out of, let's say for example, percentage natin, out of 100% na collectibles for the month, okay, schedule sa isang tao, umabot lang ng 40% makolekta namin. Pero hindi lahat ng nasa listahan na nagbayad. Ibig sabihin, individual persons na nakolektahan, more or less, ang nakolekta namin, maximum na ng 40% dahil sa pandemic. But, although pandemic siya, we still declare income last year, 2020, of mga almost 500,000. Although pandemic siya.
Malaki na yun.
Sa ngayon, na nag-relax na yung pandemic, as of November 30, meron na kaming 1.1 year-to-date na net surplus.
Income. Grabe. Congratulations, Sir Jun, ha? Yeah.
So, at least nagbabayad yung mga member namin na umaangat na yung yung bayad nila sa amin.
Yung kagandahan sa cooperative ninyo, Sir Jun, is yung mga rental ninyo. Actually, mga ka-people, nakapunta po ako sa office ni Sir Jun, and I guess anong year yun? Last year ba yun? Or 2 years ago?
2 years ago.
So, nagbayad din ako sa obligation ng nanay at tatay ko since mayroong obligation. Then, napakaganda kasi yun palang area is that owned by DePaul. Yung kagandahan, nagpaparinta po yung DePaul sa parang merkado kasi yun. Kasi sabi kayo ng simbahan. Commercial talaga. Ang grabe ng income ng DePaul, mga ka-peoples, in terms of rental. Kaya sabi nga ni Sir Jun, kung credit talaga, parang hindi tayo makakapag-rely ng credit operation as of today. Diba, yung Bayanihan Act nako, grabe, yung presidente na yung nagsabi na hindi ipo-force yung mga member to pay or mga tao to pay their obligation to us. So, malaking challenge yun. But we are also thankful, mga ka-people's co-op, na yun ba mga tao, nag-respond din sila. Diba? Sir John, ano yung mga goals and objectives po ninyo sa cooperative ng DePaul?
Based on our slogan, sharing and caring cooperative. So, whatever resources that the cooperative has, i-share po namin sa membership. In fact, the first time in history sa St. Vincent de Paul Co-op na yung mga officers, maraming benefits. Before my time, wala silang benefits. Imagine, pare, ang aming officers, elected, board of directors, secretary, treasurer, at saka kaming staff, we are insured for 100,000.
Oh, grabe.
Life insurance yun.
Life insurance.
Pangalawa,
yung staff, kasali yung mga staff.
Kaming anim. Collectors, tailors, cashier.
Life insurance yun.
Life insurance yun. In case of death, 100,000.
Even natural death.
Yeah. Accidental times 2 yun.
Double yun.
100,000. Next, one cup health. Libre pa rin.
Nakaserve na. Partner natin
yun. One cup. Kasama natin yan. One cup health. Hospital kami, merong 60,000. Next, funeral insurance sa Phonos. Kung mauna ako, hindi na problema si Mrs. Meron ng funeral insurance. Tapos, meron kaming ng rice allowance kaming mga staff.
Rice allowance? Grabe. Ba't hindi ko tumatawa? Isang sako yun.
Hindi. Worth lang. Maliit lang naman.
Ilang kilos?
1,000 na lang naman.
Okay na yun.
Pesos, okay.
That's more or less 25 kilos yun.
Oo, okay. So, the first time in history sa DePaul na merong services ganon. So, we focus on the slogan of the cooperative na sharing and caring cooperative kami. At saka yung i-inject natin yung sa cooperative movement na service above profit. So that's it. Lahat ng trainings, yung mga officers ko, travel. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
Yung officers mo, yung
magta-travel. Pina-travel ko sila.
Yung mga voluntary officers.
Pati yung elected. Kasi meron marami tayong networks, di ba? Meron tayong Coop Natco. Network. Natco Network. Meron tayong Victo National. Meron tayong kanang One CISP. Meron tayong PCF. So, lahat na travel na ganon, binibigay ko sa officers.
So, marami kayong officers per chapter din?
Wala kami, hindi pare sa Peoples na may chapter kami.
So,
hindi ko ina-apply yun.
As a whole
lang siya.
So, ilan yun sila, sir? Mga ilan sila, yung mga officers ninyo?
Officers namin, yun lang yung mandated ng law. Yun lang ang 7 ang board, audit committee, tatlo yung ILECOM. Tapos, mediation.
So, committees na pala yung iba?
Yung committees lang lahat. Mediation, ethics, education, gender and development.
Yung structure.
Structure lang ang officers namin.
Yung sa compliance.
Pero hindi yung chapter, kagaya sa atin. Hindi yun kasi hindi ko na kaya.
Alright, so para bang it's a good story na sinishare po ni Sir John po sa atin. Sir John, we have a lots of questions for you, but magbabalik ang usapang kooperatiba. Paano ba magpa-member sa Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative online? Una, you visit our website www.mycoop.ph. I-click mo ang Be a Member Now button. Follow the steps. Step 1. Watch our PMES video. Step 2. Click again the Be a Member Now button at maghanda ng selfie picture with white background, picture of any government ID, 3 pirma in a white bond paper, tapos fill out the membership form. You can do it using your cell phone. Click OK and read and understand button. You fill up the membership form. Click the submit for review. You can now upload your pictures, your selfie picture, valid ID, at ang 3 pirma. You can click the edit your application kung merong mali, or you may now click the submit application button kung okay na. Congratulations! Your application has been sent. Expect feedback within 24 to 48 hours. Welcome to Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative. Paano ba makita ang savings o account summary mo sa co-op through online? Una, you visit our website www.mycoop.ph. Pindutin mo ang register button sa itaas. You fill up the username, email address, name, mobile number, and the password. Don't forget to write down your username and password. Click the register button. You fill up the member's information. Una, your co-op membership ID number. Make sure na tama ang format. You can see your co-op ID number sa passbook, or you can contact your branch. Click the small box I agree to terms and services at pindutin mo ang submit for approval button. Your account is placed under pending status. You log in after 24 hours, or you can contact our hotline kung kinakailangan. Congratulations! You may now view your savings and account summary sa co-op. Just click the login button sa ating website. Paano ba magbayad o mag-deposit sa Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative using DragonPay? Una, you visit our website www.mycoop.ph. I-click mo ang Be a Member Now. Step 3, click Pay via DragonPay. You fill up the details in CPMPC DragonPay payment portal form. Click what are you paying for? Membership, loan, deposit, share capital, PPI, People's Jeep, real estate, or others. Lagyan mo ng amount, complete name, and email address. Click the checkout button. Select your source of fund, pwedeng online banking or e-wallet. Or you can choose over-the-counter or ATM. Click the box I agree to the terms and conditions and pindutin mo ang select button. Click send instructions via email or mobile button. Magpunta ka sa iyong email address. Pindutin mo ang link na ibinigay ni DragonPay at sundin mo ang payment instructions. Congratulations! You made the online transactions using DragonPay.
Diri sa among subdivision na mga 4 years na ako nagpuyo diri. So, okay gikay siya wa ko'y maingon. Safe ra jud mi diri sa among subdivision.
Cebu city transport system is evolving faster today, evolving into something new. Modernized public transportation. Digital payment is gaining grounds, linking our daily lives with ease and convenience by Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative. In this time, when the entire country is affected by the pandemic, we from Cebu People's Co-op facilitated a stable and efficient way to transport our fellow Cebuanos from their point of origin to their destination within the metropolitan of Cebu. We link our passengers with seamless payment, providing complete solution to passengers and our other merchants. We continue to develop value-added services as to loyalty schemes, fare payment system, pickup and drop-off areas. Our People's Jeep, an MC3 car, is ready for the forefront of innovation, making it a part of every Cebuano's daily lifestyle and the most convenient ride of a lifetime. Cebu People's Jeep, preparing the Filipino future of mass transport innovation.
Do you want to play without losing? Do you want to save money while playing? Worry no more! For 25 pesos worth of entry, you can now play and save money at the same time. But there's more! Not only you can enjoy and save money, but you also get a chance to win 1 million pesos or a brand new car. The choice is in your hands. Only here in Play to Save. Halina't mag-usapang kooperatiba tayo kasama si Kuya Jay. Dito lang sa Mang People TV.
Alright, nagbabalik ang Usapang Kooperatiba with our handsome guest, the General Manager of St. Vincent de Paul Multipurpose Cooperative, Sir June, Mr. Laureano Misias. And kanina napag-usapan yun natin yung mga products and services ng cooperative. And as I've learned, na parang it's strengthening inside the cooperative. Yan talaga, di ba? Paano natin masolve yung problema outside kung hindi strengthen yung mga staff natin, no? Mga products and services din ng staff and mga benepisyo din ng ating mga members. Sir June, can you share your experiences and accomplishment in your cooperative?
Okay, during the time pagka-hire sa akin, 2010, February, 2 million na yung assets namin. Pero as of today, 26.8 million na yun.
Yung asset ninyo?
Yung asset
malaki na yun. Hindi madali mag-maintain ng assets.
So, yun ang isa sa highlight ng pag nandyan ako. Tapos during ang next na sa highlight ko is maraming napasukan yung St. Vincent de Paul na mga institutions, accreditations, affiliations, insurance providers and partners. Marami siya. Una, accredited kami sa Mandawi City Sangguniang Panlungsod Committee on Cooperatives, Cebu Provincial Board Committee on Accreditation and Public Safety, Victo National Cooperative Federation and Development Center, National Confederation Cooperative Network, Mandawi City Co-op Development Council, Philippine Cooperative Central Fund Federation, Climbs Life Insurance, General Insurance Cooperative, NATCO Mutual Benefits Association, One Coop Life and General Insurance Cooperative, Oriental Assurance Corporation, Phonos Federation of Cooperatives,
mga partners natin yan, Sir John.
Partners of Funeral, First Life Financial Company, Coop Natco Party List, the political arm of cooperative.
Nakabisit natin yan dito.
DigiCoop Apps for online transaction o bills payment and loading business. Appeal ang DigiCoop Apps. Din One Coop Health Federation for Health Insurance Coverage. So, ito yung mga institutions na tinatap natin na para maka-help o makatabang sa ato ang operation sa cooperative to be secured and stable to the community na kung magtanong na meron parang participation yung St. Vincent de Paul sa kooperatiba St. Vincent de Paul Cooperative sa community kung magtatanong. Kasi lahat na ito, maraming activities. May institutions dito na nag-cover ng life insurance namin. So, ang life insurance namin na product na nandyan sa kooperatiba, accidental death, life, natural death with accidental death insurance, loans insurance, funeral insurance, health insurance, fire insurance, and vehicle insurance.
Sir John, meron na bang nakaka-avail? So, yung mga, di ba sabi mo kanina, yung mga bata mo sa insurance,
meron.
Nakaka-avail yung namatay?
Meron. Namatay? Oo. Sample. Dalawa. If you heard somewhere in Labugon, namatay sa dinggi. K-12 student ba, graduating. Naka-receive yung parents niya. Tapos, doon sa Tingob, National High School. Client ko kasi yun sa insurance. Heart attack.
Yung bata pa?
Bata pa, K-12. So, namatay. May naka-claim na dalawa. Actually, I was one of the member of the school board sa Hagubiao National High School. Then sila yung unang nagkuha ng product namin na student insurance plan come from 1CISP. Next, nire-refer na ako sa Tingob ug sa kanang Labugon National High School. Kasi yung government kasi, yung K-12 during that time, before pandemic, may libre na, na insurance coverage, insurance premium. Kaya lang, nangyari, doon sila pumunta ng lawyer. I-accident lang naman yun, di ba? Nakita ng taga-Hagubiao na mayroon ko natural death, sa atin bumili.
So, mas advantage siya.
Advantage siya kasi hindi naman accidental death lang coverage.
Bihira lang naman yung aksidente.
Oo.
Di ba?
Logi tayo.
But Sir John, as a whole ba, as of today, as a whole ng St. Vincent de Paul Cooperative, what services or programs in your cooperative that you want to share talaga? Para bang patok na patok ngayon?
Programs and services na patok na patok talaga.
Yung gusto mo talaga yung ma-share sa...
I-post talaga. Actually, ang i-post ko talaga sa St. Vincent de Paul is to let the members patronize the lending product of St. Vincent de Paul. Kasi sa tingin ko, nangailangan yung member ng kapital. Kaya lang, ang nangyari kasi, may ibang institutions na pumapasok sa kanila. Ngayon, ang i-post ko na yung mga member na yon, makuha ko talaga yung heart nila na dito lang sa co-op namin mag-borrow. Kasi kung titingnan natin yung loans ko for the month of November, maliit lang naman 1 million lang naman ang releasing ko, more. Then I have meron ako available na 5 million. So, paano yung 4 million? So, hindi nagamit. Saka, for the whole year, na-release ko 14 million lang naman. So, maliit lang. More or less 1 point something lang yung nare-release ko. So,
baka mga mayayaman na yung mga membro, mga rich na yung mga member mo, Sir John, hindi na nag-appeal So, para sa iyo, nag-observe ka talaga sa standard, no?
Oo, standard.
Yung liquidity against sa asset, yung loan.
Sa tingin ko, sir, tama ka, sir, kasi minsan nga, gusto kong ibigay yung pera ng may mga time deposit, may mga savings deposit. Kasi maraming ring member na hindi nag-loan. Limbawa, out of 100%, yung hindi nag-loan, mga 30%. Pataas yun, di ba? So, kung mag-loan lang sana sila, additional income.
Additional income. But that's one of your greatest challenge kasi tumataas yung expenses mo. But paano mo maparoll yung pera? Yung mga membro mo na, rich na sila, yung mayaman na. It's because of the cooperative.
Yun ang sa tingin ko eh. Saka
But that's a good sign, Sir John. Para bang hindi na sila nakadepende sa utang.
Pero
but challenge din ng isang manager.
Sa isang manager.
Paano mo mapalago yung pera?
Mapalago yung pera saka
kasi at the end of the year, dividend.
At the end of the year, maghanap yung mga
Yan, so saka yung lending talaga.
Sir, idagdag ko lang muna. Meron kaming other income.
Yes, Sir John.
Kung pupunta ka ng opisina ngayon, bago yung opisina ko, katapat ng old building namin commercial, meron na kami ngayon, comfort room. Public comfort room. 2 females and 1 male na room. Okay. Public comfort room yun. So, meron na kaming yung sasakyan mo, car wash.
Car wash?
Oo.
Meron bang yung space doon?
5 pesos. Meron space. Okay. Meron na kami vulcanizing shop.
Nandun din?
Nandun din.
Meron kayong tao na nag-hire or nag-rent?
Nag-hire pa kami.
Nag-hire kayo?
Wala pag tao sa vulcanizing. Okay. Itong dalawa, meron na. Saka, dalawa yung sa car wash, dalawang outlet. Then,
dalawang outlet na?
Dalawang pwede ka maggamit banda rito, yung isa doon. Okay. Saka, upcoming, lagyan ko na ng store, sari-sari store doon sa may bandang dulo sa highway. Convenience store.
Yung sa amin dito sa Co-op, may store yan.
May store yan sa inyo. Okay. So, yan ang other income namin. Saka, may, habal-habal. Parking space din na ginagamit
meron ka ng parking area. Dapat magbayad sila.
Bayad sila.
Yung sa comfort room, magbayad din sila.
Bayad din sila, Yung sa
kami magpunta doon, libre lang kami, ha? Meron ba ng comfort room?
Ganun
5 pesos yun.
5 pesos. Malaki yung kita, bay, sa isang linggo, yan eh. Umabot kami ng more or less 1,000.
Habulin ka, hindi member rin.
Hindi, yan? Charge to community service.
Okay.
Sabihin ko na, pag community naman yan eh.
Alright, so, napakaganda, grabe. We learn a lot from you, Sir John, ha? Grabe si Sir John, Sir John, what are your future plans in the cooperative sa DIPOL?
Future plans ko, ganito. We are now in the process of expanding our building.
Kasi first floor lang yun.
First floor lang. Mag-second floor kami. Okay. Mag-second floor kami. Nag-process pa ako kahapon. Nandun ako sa City Hall. So, may January siguro January siguro ma-realize na yan. Pag ma-process. Yan ang ko.
Parang building improvement.
Para may additional na rental income yung kooperatiba.
Yan. And Sir John, sa palagay ninyo, anong pinaka-rewarding and challenging aspect in your life being the general manager of St. Vincent?
The rewarding part in my life with St. Vincent DIPOL is our officers, the cooperative itself, give me the support.
Yung trust nila.
Yung trust sa akin. Financially, although maliit lang kami, we are a medium-sized cooperative na kooperatiba, pero yung sahod namin, hindi naman masyadong mababa, pero tama-tama lang. In fact, our benefits plus the salary, okay lang naman. Ang kolektor nga namin, ngayon umabot ng above minimum yung collectors namin.
Hindi na madali yung collectors, and prone kasi sila, di ba?
Front
accident,
sila.
They're frontliners also.
Kompleto sila yan. Yung may insurance para sa collectors, sa opisina din may insurance. Hindi siya, nagre-rely lang talaga ako sa insurance para sa risk protection
Yun
sa aming
talaga.
cooperative.
And that's a good for the benefits of your staff also, Sir John.
Oh.
And Sir John, gaano ka-importante yung cooperativism, yung spirit of cooperativism?
Importante siya dahil sa kung if you rely with your family, hindi 100% mag-support yung family mo. Dahil kung nagkasawa ka na, lalabas ka na sa pamilya mo. So, kung mayroong kooperatiba as a family, as your family, may tutulong sa iyo in case na mga ilangan sila with regards to the needs of your needs, kumbaga. So, pinaka-importante ang kooperatiba dahil sa yung mga tao are binigyan ng chance ng government na magkaisa, then tapos the government itself support it by giving also the benefits that the cooperative can receive from them. So, in other words, cooperativism spirit is very much helpful for those people na nag-help din sa kanyang sarili.
Yan, kaya cooperativism.
Kaya nga, ganun ang kung hindi ka nag-help sa sarili mo, yung cooperativism, hindi yun para sa'yo.
Yan. So, Sir John, patapos na tayo. Ba't dami pa natin, ha? Looking forward na maka-guest kayo dito, Sir John. Sir John, encourage everyone to become a member or a part of the cooperative movement. Alam naman natin, daming cooperative, no? Ba't nakita natin, Sir John? Maganda talaga yung benepisyo ng cooperative.
Okay, to the non-members or members na sa kooperatiba, kailangan na maging member kayo sa isang kooperatiba dahil yung kooperatiba, siya lang ang makatulong sa atin sa pangangailangan in terms of social, economic needs natin as a person. Then, yung ibang institutions, wala kayong makukuha dyan. Dahil yung kooperatiba, marami kang makukuha. Sa ibang institusyon, hindi ka kasali sa kanilang income. Sa atin, net surplus lang yon sa kooperatiba, in excess of the expenses, mag-share ka dyan. Saka yung nag-patronage ka ng product, meron kang share din sa income ng co-op through patronage refund kung nag-loan ka. Pero kung hindi ka nag-loan, may interest yung share capital mo. So, bakit share capital? Dahil yung cooperative member, you're an owner. Being an owner, you will have to give share to the capital of the organization, to the cooperative. Kasi, lugi naman ang coop na ikaw lang manghiram, tapos wala kang naibigay na ambag na capitalization sa kooperatiba. So, as a member, as a owner sa kooperatiba, kasi owner ka kung maging member ka ng co-op, kailangan talaga na meron kang kapital na ibigay. So, salamat. Sana na napalinawagan ko,
explain further
ko sa inyo, yung lalo na sa mga member na hindi pa masyadong
oriented ng cooperative.
Oriented o wala pa sa kanilang heart yung kooperatiba, ipagpatuloy nyo lang yung pagiging member nyo kasi soon, baka nangailangan ka ng serbisyo ng kooperatiba, so makatulong siya sa inyo. At saka hindi pa member, magpa-member kayo kaysa nandyan kayo sa labas ng institusyon na wala kayong makukuha dyan. Kasi hanggang lang yan, hanggang sa kanila lang yung yung mga income nila or services nila na hindi ka mabigyan. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Sir John. Sir John, any greetings sa mga ka-peoples natin or baka meron kang fans club dito? Ayun sa mga member mo dyan, mag-greet ka na, mga officer mo.
Okay, shout out pare.
Shout out mo sila.
Without komedya na Kwan. Hindi naman shout out. I-greet ko lang yung mga officers ko sa St. Vincent de Paul Cooperative. Sila si Ma'am Selvia Pariha, Ma'am Selvia Inok, si Ma'am Milos Maurial, si May Maglasang, si Marifel Pino, si Ma'am Mabel Hingpit, mo ang treasurer, si Ma'am Edith Aurelio, si ang secretary, si Ma'am Flor Aribal, o ang ako ang mga staff nga nag-expect nga live karon pero dili man nindot ng taog live ko no ingon sila pero
next
pero sa sunod na lang ko no nga episode
next episode
si Catherine Godinez among cashier, si Nililia Dalagit ang ato ang bookkeeper, si Clea Alif Viador ang kolektor, si Chris Buyunas ang kolektor sabog, si Aljon Taban amo ang kolektor. O ang tanang member sa St. Vincent de Paul Cooperative, ani ako karon sa People's TV aron i-promote ang ato ang organisasyon atong kooperatiba. Inautunta nga nagpaminaw ka mo karon o nagtan-aw, mobalik mo sa kooperatiba nga aktibo bisan sa atong pandemic karong panahon na. O mayunta nga ang katong wala sad magpa-member pa diya sa community sa St. Vincent de Paul Cooperative, kung nakauyon mo sa kooperatiba o usa ang serbisyo sa St. Vincent de Paul, inyong nauyunan, open ang ko mudawat sa inyo anytime sa ato ang opisina. O katong mga member sa ubang kooperatiba sa maning akong gilingkuran karon ang People's Co-op, of which I am one of the son of People's Co-op, anak ko din sa People's Co-op as your cooperative man. Nahimo kong official diri sa mga katuigan nga nagsugod pa ko sa Co-op. Permanente ayaw biyae ang People's Co-op, mag-uban ta sa tuang panaw, sa tuang gisundan nga mga mithi sa kooperatiba o hangtod sa tuang pagkatigulan kung maabot katigulangon. Dengan salamat o mayang buntag.
Thank you so much, Sir John. Maraming salamat. And sa mga fans club natin, sa nag-follow ng mga People TV, sa mga kaibigan nating OFW, even dito sa Pinas, maraming salamat. And guys, kanina napag-usapan po natin yung mga products and services. So, I realized that in every cooperative, maliit man o malaki, there's a uniqueness, no? Para bang iba-iba yung beauty ng cooperative. Iba-iba din yung challenge. Grabe yung challenge ni Sir John. Ano problema po siya kasi ang gusto niya, meron pa siyang fund for 5 million. Gusto talaga niya, yung mga membro, utang talaga para magkakaroon ng income. But yung other co-op naman, different din. Delinquency yung problema. And that's common, mga ka-People's Co-op. But the bottom line is that kanina, napag-usapan din natin yung mga products and services na yung tinatakal ni Sir John na benefits of being a member of the cooperative. Yun talaga yung bottom line. Ano yung makukuha namin the moment I become a member of that cooperative. So sa mga hindi pa members ng cooperative, we really encourage you to be one of us by visiting our website www.mycoop.ph. Ay click po natin ang Be a Member Now button. Meron po kaming Mang People TV sa YouTube channel and you can message dito po sa ating Facebook page. Mga ka-people, we are grateful to have the opportunity to be in touch with other cooperative, and by this, we were able to know the benefits and the advantages of being a part of cooperative. At sa pagtatapos na ating programa, naway marami kayong natututunan. Tayo ay patuloy maghahatid ng serbisyo dahil ang kinabukasan ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino sa Cebu People's Co-op sigurado. Thank you so much for watching and see you to our next episode, mga ka-people, dito lang sa Usapang Kooperatiba. To God be all the glory.